Hey everyone, this is June from the Binary Lab. Just want to give you guys an update about the trading calls I've been giving out to my group. So yesterday I gave some trading calls out on Ripple and Bitcoin. Okay, so I want to let you know how that went. I actually was looking at Ripple. Many of our members were in since like the 25-cent range, 27-cent range, and we're in it till a high of like, okay, the high was 380, 390 depending on exchange. But I actually advise people to take profit around the 340, 350 range. And for some people, I also gave them the alternative of, let's say, selling some to regain your capital so you can put it elsewhere. So I also let my members know what I've been doing with my Ripple. Basically, I kind of divested all of the Ripple that I have. I have a buyback in point, which I have mentioned in my Binary Lab Elite group that you guys can find out if you want to. If you're in the group, you can get information as well. And in the meantime, what I've done is that I've actually put the money back in Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because I mentioned to my group that if you look in the last weeks, okay, Bitcoin's been losing market share. Bitcoin usually has as much as like a 40-50%, closer to 50% hold of the entire crypto market, but it actually dropped to beneath 30%. And that's very rare, and that's going to call for a rebound. Technically, look at the charts. All right, and this is something that I teach in my program as well. That the supports are there. The supports are firm. It had tried to test like the 12,000 range, held up really well. Watch my recent video also about that whole panic thing. When you should not be worried about market falls. Also look out for my upcoming video about why you should be afraid and runs clear of the retail investors. Okay, so coming back to the point, all right, so Bitcoin, I saw that the bottom support is very, very well established, and the only way to go is up. And given that it's on a lower market share than usual, and the altcoins on the other hand have gained extra market share, so it's only natural that we're going to see a rise. Long story short, we got out of Ripple at 340, 350, and why 340, 350? Because we wanted to confirm that the uptrend was out of steam, and then subsequently getting to Bitcoin, 15,400 was the point where I gave the signal, and as of now, Bitcoin is at 17,600. So that's a 2.2k profit on a full Bitcoin. Or it's about like 13-14-ish%. I haven't done the actual calculation, but I mean that's not bad. So what we're really doing here is maximization. Okay, we're looking for good entry points, good exit points, and profit maximization. Why leave? I mean, profit is great. We all know that it's generally going up, but I mean, what's the point in hanging in there when it's about to take a correction and spend the next weeks and months hating yourself for not getting out at the best possible points. Okay, so I will be some of you asking me how do I find out information on when to get in, when to get out, how do I decide that? Various ways. So I'll be teaching you in my program on how to gather information from various places, what are the things I look out for, and finally on the technical aspects of things, how do I decide where these supports should be, and what are the technical triggers that I want to be looking out for. Alright, so look out for my video update. It's going to be in the next 7-10 days. I will have an inside tour of my program. You guys can see what's inside, and also I have some good news for you. As you guys have been requesting, I'm actually creating a modular membership style. What that means is that there's some people that maybe it's out of your budget, or let's say you're not sure if you want to commit to the full Binary Lab Elite program right now. I'm actually allowing people to, or rather in this upcoming crypto course, I'll be allowing people to buy into that program only. Okay, and you guys can basically get to get the knowledge to help you see some profits in crypto, and from that point, you can either earn your way up into the full Binary Lab Elite program. So great information coming up for you guys, great inside peek coming up for you guys too. Stay tuned. This is Dream from the Binary Lab. Bye for now and good trading.